Good morning, hello, or whatever time you're watching this video. I am here with my good thing for this week. My good thing is I was in my garage looking for some other stuff, and I found one of my old coloring books. Those are kind of popular for adults a while back. And I've been coloring. Ooh, pretty. It's, just something else to do other than, I don't know, the stuff we've been doing, which is pretty much like watching movies and sitting outside for extended periods of time. Anyway, that's my good thing for this week. As promised, as usual. Ooh, this is Millennium Princess Barbie. So she came out in the year 2000, the beginning of the new millennium. Unfortunately, there's a hole in her box, so I'm not sure how that affects her value. But it came with this really neat ornament that, if you took it out of the box, you could have put on your tree. I did not do that. A little close-up of her fashions there on the back. But that's the doll for this week, Millennium Princess Barbie. Just like last week, we will, just like last week, I'm not sure where I left off. I had to pause because Dash was asking for help with something. He likes to use the Swiffer here at our house. So I had to put a new cloth on the Swiffer. Anyway, we will do Gym Kit Live again this week. I need to check my schedule. I have some calls and things like that going on. And I also want to make sure that you all don't have other things going on during whatever time I schedule Gym Kit, because I think I have fun. We did Humans versus Zombies again. Mr. C joined us again. So I thought about doing something like Kahoot and letting that be your grade for this week, but I don't have enough students that join for me to take that as a grade. But anyway, that's what I have for this week. Your teachers are probably going to be sending you some updates on what's coming in the next couple of weeks. So we have this week for distance learning, and then we have the week after that, and then we have one more week, and that's it. That's the school year, kids. So I can't believe we haven't, been in school since the beginning of March. But I'm starting to ramble. That's my good thing. And I have my doll too. And we will Gym Kit or do something live this week as soon as I can figure out when that is. So stay tuned to Google Classroom, and I'll let you guys know. Anyway, have a great week. And I will see you sometime this week for our live game. Bye.